Here I've got Ulefone Armor 6E, and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then pick sound. Now go to phone ringtone, and from the following list you can pick whichever sound you would like to have, so just go along with all tunes and then pick the one that you like the most. So let me show you, for example, 3 of them. Let's start with bird loop. Then centaurs, and she's all that. If you would like to apply this one, click on OK, and that's it. As you can see, phone ringtone has been changed and the whole operation is quite quick and easy. So that would be all. This is how you can change ringtone in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.